All right, Senioritis Gang. Very nice title there. And kind of a misleading one because I really liked your video. Nice to speak with you. Let's see here. Paley, Trent, Sydney, and Brittany. Okay, pretty darn effective CMP for what it's worth. I'm seeing a disturbing trend in a lot of these CMPs that I'm beginning to grade, where people, sort of four people, all bring one little part of their research essay and try to figure out a way to string them all together. That's definitely not what happened here. It's clear you did a lot of unique work, new work that you hadn't done yet before to accomplish this CMP, and so very much appreciated on that front. Um, yeah, I was very I learned a lot, which I'll kind of return to. But I also it's clear that you did a lot of the you put the shoe leather on, right? You put the work in. My favorite parts, what I like the best, is Brittany's personal testimony. I thought that was very informational, yet also sort of powerful. Using a personal perspective, almost like in terms of primary research, is very effective. And it's clear that you took some time to record many videos and narration, which is great. Do I like it when students just sort of, or anybody really just reads, the text that's on the screen as, people are already reading it? No, that's not my favorite, but it didn't happen too often. And so that's definitely a plus as well. So in terms of the format, in terms of the presentation, the delivery of the content, plenty to like here. I don't mind doing the click to the next slide when everything else is sort of self-playing. So don't let that don't let that be a concern. Um, some of the videos played by themselves, and some I had to click on. So I don't know if that's a preparation or the software. But I wish that I could just click on a slide and then it would sort of self-play every time. Maybe that was just my UI experience on this end. Um, let's see. The URLs at the end are nice, but they're not really citations. They're just links. So more formalized citations might have helped as well. And in terms of a big picture thing, I did say I learned a lot from your CMP. I guess my question is, like, what's the argument? It was very heavy on like the history of prosthetics and sort of a snapshot of what they look like today. I didn't understand how all that information sort of coalesced around an argument. If I squint a certain way, I guess I could kind of see an argument for technology's, sort of role, whatever, however broad that term is, technology's role in healing people and helping people, stay, help them to realize their potential as people, right? And so there is an argument to be made there. It just wasn't as blatant as maybe I would have preferred. What else? I'm going to be reading your reflective essays later on this week, as soon as I can, once I get through all the CMPs. I like to do the CMPs first and then read the reflections so I can understand what went into the creation of them. And I'll probably go back and watch it again once I finish your group's reflective essays. But looking at this group, this is a pretty reliable group of students, and I'm certain that your collaborations were beneficial because, like I said, you pretty much created this essay out of whole cloth. You created a brand new subject matter that was, sort of that none of you could rely on your old work, and so that means a lot to me. When I watch them and also when I grade them. So thanks a lot for that. What else from my notes here? Oh no, thank you, Paley. But yes, I did watch watched the video all the way through. I like that one in case you didn't watch the video. So where are we at here? In light of the assignment guidelines, and especially in light of all the extra effort you put into your subject matter, I feel like we are a solid B plus. Very nice work. That's a very good grade that I don't need to give out too often. So I'm gonna put you down there. Anyway, I'll say my goodbyes to you individually, but I thank you for all your efforts this entire semester. I hope you're having a great day.